My name is Jeff Fix. I'm the Vice President of Business Development at RDP Foodservice. I'm going to the Mid-America Restaurant Expo in 2018, and you should too. The Mid-America Restaurant Expo really is a great way for people to come out and learn about what's new and exciting in the restaurant industry. We put it together to give people, if they give us one day to come out and see all the different things that are going on, they're going to take home with them basically a year's worth of information, right? So we have all kinds of speakers that come in, we have new technology, we have new trends in the industry, all are on the floor for people to kind of wander around at their own pace and go and see. We've got some really cool keynote speakers, so it's really a great opportunity for someone who's in the restaurant business to get a lot of information in a very short period of time and really cost effectively.
The Mid-America Restaurant Expo is a great conference that rivals any national conference right here in Columbus, Ohio. It allows operators, IT, cost accounting, various aspects of a restaurant to really understand and learn about technology, trends, and innovation.
American Restaurant Expo has grown to one of the premier shows in the country, and proof of that is having one of the top chefs in all of the country to be a keynote speaker here. Michael Simon's a keynote speaker this year, so that right there tells you it's a big deal in the restaurant industry when someone of that caliber is here speaking to you and giving out his secrets and his knowledge.
The Mid-America Restaurant Expo is a great collection of some of the best providers of services, of food, and really thought leadership that our industry has anywhere in the Midwest, or I think even the country.
People in the restaurant and food service industry should plan to attend the Mid-America Restaurant Expo in January because it brings together industry professionals from all over the region. It also boasts 4,000 attendees, 300 exhibitors, 50 educational sessions. Michael Simon, what can I say? Come.